So let's start by saving this file. And if I go to this file, I have an options create new projects. So what it will do, it will create these folders and everything. So in my case, I don't want all these folders, right? So I'll just save this file directly. And here I'll just go and on desktop, I'll create this master folder. And let me set file name. We have to keep it short. Volume 1, destination version 1. Save this. And if I go over here that I have some $heap, $job and $temp as well. So what are these? So these are variables. We will learn more about this later. And this is viewport and these are the network view and here the parameter. And this looks cool, but if I create anything, how do I understand scale of the scene, right? So for that, I prefer using this test geometry, and there are a bunch of test geometry and use this Tommy. So this is actual human scale and Houdini works in meters. And if I just check these, middle click these 1.78 meters. We have to imagine us standing there, right? And we can just compare things over here. And I want animated geometry as well, and for that I will use this crack, so which is walking around over here, right? And this angle looks cool. To create camera, I can just go over here and I can just click over here. It will create this camera. And I don't want rotation in this axis. Yep, this looks cool. And I want 120 frames only. Cool. So let's just set these for scale. And give it some cool color. And also do set hotkeys and I have provided link for that. Next, let's learn about voxels.